Now, I've only got a little bit on me so far. So you could use a wider putty knife, but then, I don't know. I wouldn't use anything more than like a 4-inch. This is a 3. Might take a little bit longer to do with the 3-inch, but I mean, heck, you got the 3-inch, use it. I wasn't about ready to go back to the store to get a 4-inch just because I only had the 3-inch. I was going to wait and do all this yellow at the same time, but this way I can kind of see there's a little line in the middle of it, and so I know where the center is. I can just hold that right like that, put my foot on it, and just push it in. Almost looks like I knew what I was doing, huh? But I am not a roofer. I'm proud to say I'm not a roofer. I would hate doing this every day. Working up on roofs, doing tile roofs, hot tar roofs, asphalt shingle roofs, wood shingles. It's got to get to you after a while, I'm sure. Anybody who does this for a living, I'll take my hat off to them. In this case, it's just a patch. Man, if you had a roofer come, now see, I can just pull it back a little bit. If you had a roofer come out here, how much would they charge you for just this patch that we're doing right here on this one particular video? I'm gonna guess $150, maybe more. Maybe $150 labor and the material. Now, we bought the material. Granted, the mastic's going to cost you, this 3-gallon container is probably going to cost you, let's see where we can put this. I'll just leave it right here. 50 some odd dollars. The putty knife's going to cost you $3 or $4. And this webbing tape, $7 or $8 probably. So, $65, maybe $70 material. So a roofer is probably going to charge you $150 for his time plus $75, $225 for this particular patch. Or he might give you a deal if he's got the material and he's got it saved for, or he got it off of a job he didn't need anymore. He's trying to do you a favor. You were so thankful that it only cost you $200 instead of $250 or $275 or whatever. And little beknownst to you, you could have done it yourself for $75 total. Yeah. Hey, a patch is a patch is a patch. A roofer, he's only going to guarantee his work for so long, you know. He's not going to give you a warranty for 10 years for this or anything, I doubt. But hey, if it starts leaking, you get up here and you put a little bit more mastic down. If it's a straightforward one like this, I mean, if it's way up high in a roof and you got to have a special ladder and you're afraid of heights and all that, then maybe it's worth it to you to have somebody do the patch. Especially if it's causing a leak in your house and you want to fix that. You're afraid to do it yourself. Okay, you know, play the scenario back and ask yourself, do you have time for the patch or not? Okay, pull that back a little bit. I'm gonna go some more. You're doing it, baby.